Wealthfront versus Vanguard. Wealthfront is an automated investing platform, or robo-advisor, ideal for hands-off investors. It builds a custom portfolio based on your goals, automatically rebalances, and even offers tax loss harvesting. With a low 0% to 5% annual fee and a minimum investment of just $500, it's a solid choice for long-term wealth building. Now, let's talk Vanguard, a legendary name in investing, especially known for its low-cost index funds. Vanguard offers both do-it-yourself investing and its own robo-advisor service called Vanguard Digital Advisor. The minimum is higher, usually $3,000 to get started, but you get access to Vanguard's time-tested ETFs and a trusted reputation built over decades. The robo-advisor also charges around 0.15% to 0.20% annually. So, what's the difference? Choose Wealthfront if you want an intuitive. Go with Vanguard if you prefer a more traditional approach. Thanks for watching.